Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Harshil. So in the previous video we have seen the headings in the HTML, that what is the heading and how many types of headings are there. Okay, so now in this video we will learn the formatting of text. Okay, and I am in the Sublime text editor and I will write first basic syntax and I will give the title as formatting of text part 1. Okay, so if I save it by Control S and refresh in my browser, then you can see the title is there. Okay, so now in the body part I will write first one simple statement as this is simple p tag. Okay, so I have written this statement. Okay, if you have seen my video on p tag, then you can understand this. Okay, so if I save it by Control S and refresh, okay, so you can see this. Okay, so now formatting of text means in the formatting of text there are lots of tag. Okay, so first tag is b tag. Okay, b tag means it will be convert the text into bold text. Okay, so this is bold text. Okay, so if I save it by Control S and refresh here, then you can see the text is bold. Okay, so using the b tag we can convert the simple text into the bold text. Okay, so now next one is the strong. Okay, next one is a strong text. Okay, so this is strong text. Okay, so I have written this statement. Okay, and let's see what we get the output. Okay, so if I refresh here, then you can see in the bold text and in the strong text. Okay, both are bold. Okay, both are bold, you can see here, and there is no such we can say that font size or font family difference. Okay, that one is the we can say that Verdana, or one is the italic or such like that. Okay, so there is no such type of difference. Okay, so why strong is printing like this? Okay, because this strong text is a semantical tag. Okay, semantical tag means it has some meaning. Okay, here strong may have one priority. Okay, but it is printing like as a bold. Okay, but bold has nothing priority, or it has nothing any meaningful statement or meaningful syntax. Okay, but here in the strong it has. Okay, but it is printing as a we can say that bold. Okay, but it is printing as a bold, but in the bold text in the b tag there is no such type of that. Okay, so this strong text is the semantical tag, and we don't have to query about that, because using css all these things will be covered. Okay, so and one of the example is that, like if you are writing or making one website, at that time in the foot at the bottom part we are writing that copyright and like, share, and we can say that Facebook, Twitter and Instagram icons are there. Okay, so to identify that part we have the footer in the HTML. Okay, so this through this footer we can identify. Okay, and if we write normal, okay, without anything, that the through this we can also identify, but using footer we can easily identify, because this footer has some meaning. What meaning? That foot at the bottom. Okay, so at bottom what will be done, what will cover? Okay, so the copyright part or icons like Facebook, YouTube, link, share it. Okay, and contact us details. Okay, so this is how footer has some meaning. Okay, as strong has also some meaning. Okay, but we don't worry about that. Okay, because CSS cover all these things. Okay, and we ignore it. Okay, but I am putting here this footer so that you can understand it properly, that this is the concept behind that. Okay, so I am writing here this is copyright part and some icons for contact. Okay, and share. Share. Okay, so I'm giving the code in the description so that you can find this code, okay, and you can understand it properly. Okay, so this strong tag is covered. Okay, so now moving to the next is italic. Okay, so for italic text we have the tag called I. Okay, so this text is italic text. Okay, so if I save it by Control S and refresh, then you can see this text is italic text. Okay, you can see here the text is converted. Okay, so now next one is the emphasize text. Okay, so for emphasize, the first two words E and M. Okay, this is the keyword for that. And if I write here, this is also print in italic. Okay, so this will print in italic. Okay, so if I save it and refresh, then you can see this emphasized text is also printing italic. Okay, as same as bold. Okay, so it has also some meaningful in the semantic. Okay, so as discussed. Okay, and now next one is the big tag. Okay, big tag. Okay, so as the name suggests, big tag means we can say that it has the larger size. Okay, so I'm writing here, this text has larger size, larger font size. Okay, so if I save it and refresh, then you can see the size is larger compared to this. Okay, and as the big, there is the small also. Okay, so small, this text has smaller font size. Okay, so if I save it by Control S and refresh here, then you can see the size is smaller. Okay, so this is how we can identify that in which form we want to convert. If we want to convert in the bold, then we can convert in bold. If we want to convert in italic, then we can italic, and larger font size and smaller font size and all these things. Okay, we can do. Okay, and one other thing, I'm covering one thing also, that there is one another tag called mark. Okay, so this mark tag. Okay, so this is important part. Okay, I am writing one statement here. Okay, so if I save it and refresh, then you can see this is, and on the important, the background color is changed. Okay, so this is called the mark tag. Okay, mark tag will we can say that it is one type of important part showing. Okay, so this is how the mark tag is works, and there are lots of tags and all the text we will cover in the next video. Okay, so this is the formatting of text part 1. Okay, so in the formatting of text part 2, we will cover other things. Okay, so in this video we learned the bold, strong, italic, emphasize, big, small, and mark. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand it properly, and if you have any query related to any topic or in this video or in the previous video, then you can ask me in the comment. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next time.